Hey guys, today I'm just going to do a quick video, no mucking around, on Viral View. This is a fantastic plugin that I've used for the last half a year, and I probably should have mentioned it earlier, but I haven't done any videos lately, so without further ado, I'll get straight into it. Now, Viral View is fantastic for finding products on Amazon that you may have purchased in the past, or ones that you know that someone has, and it will show you a score rating. So obviously people upload their videos based on how many people search for it, how popular it is, and there's a lot of criteria that go into it. What Viral View does is it simplifies it for you as an uploader, as an Amazon influencer, to get the best time spent out of your, I guess, your daily upload routine. It'll find the products that are easier to use, and I'll just get straight into it so I can show you an example. First thing you do, click down below. I have a 10% discount on this actual software. So if you click through to that and sign up, you'll get a 10% discount. That's a really good discount. And in my opinion, the friends that are in online marketing, such as people that are on websites or trying to get a little bit more of a niche pursuit style affiliation link to Amazon, because obviously we know that Google got crushed a lot of our websites. This is the perfect alternative to earn some passive income. So the first thing I do is I go through to Amazon bestsellers. What I like to do is I'll find something that's a decent price, but let's just say it's electronics. Okay, so let's click through to electronics. Okay, and you choose a niche. So just say it's home audio and theater, and you could do it for anything. So home audio and theater is a niche. So let's just go home audio, right? And then it'll say sound bars, right? I haven't done this yet. This is just off the cuff, but this is just to show you how good this is. So you get your general results here. Now what you see here is Viral View pop up. Now the best thing about this is that if you click on this, it will show you all of the products and the viral score. So this is a viral score of 98. This is the product image, the sellers Amazon, shows a few of the sellers. But what is awesome is it shows you the 30-day revenue. It shows you how much this seller in particular makes, which is crazy, $490,000 in 30 days for this soundbar. What you can see here on the right is total influence of videos. Now 11, 17, 36. So they're quite difficult, even though this viral score is quite low. So clearly you can see the influence of videos and how many people have done a video. This is top carousel, top center medium. It's the top carousel is basically what you really want to get to. So you can see this has one in the top carousel, which is fantastic. So obviously that's the reason this one has a viral score due to this. I'd definitely go after this one. So what I do is I go over to the actual product. Fantastic how it just opens in a new tab so you can see what the product is. Through to the page here, and you can see down here you have videos. This is where the page will show their video straight up, which is this one. Got it on mute, which is great. I'll just pause that. You can see here there are more related videos. This one here is actually quite horrible. A lot of people do this. This is like scamming, but I think this is an AI woman. Yes, it is. You can tell by it's being cut out. They've put this all over it. But if this person gets their 30 seconds, they get the sale. So I don't know why they think that this is going to work, but I think it's a good move from Amazon to make it 30 seconds for the video, because you just know this is some type of scammer, all right? Trying to get people to click on that, watch the full video, then if they go through and they purchase this soundbar, they get the credit. But these are the ones you're after. So this is a 56 second video, and this person is getting commissions from it 100%. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos in the top carousel, plus their promotional video. This is what you're after though, one of these type of ones with a little bit of sound. I'm not sure if it'll pick up in the camera, but I'll click it off. So yeah, that's not too bad. It might even be an AI voice. I'm not sure. Who knows these days? It's getting better and better. But that one in particular is a good video. It shows people using it. I like to just do a simple video, nice and fast, but make sure it's over 30 seconds so you can get paid. If it's shorter than 30 seconds, that means that you are going to just get paid if they watch the full video. If they watch the full 15-second video clip, you will get paid. But if they don't, if they cut it short and then they go and purchase, you don't get a cent. So just make sure you do a 30-second video. Now let's go back. If I find someone that has this, or there's a place that I can go to review this, I definitely do it. So what it does is it basically breaks down things that you should upload. I had some things in my house and I did the quick viral view check and I knew that I should do it. So I'll just go over to my account and see if it shows some of the uploads. You can see here, I've got my own little creator stores, but I also have a storefront. You can see the storefront and then you can see what's happened in terms of what I'm reviewing. The last thing that I reviewed was a portable charger or something like that. So for example, here we go. It's an INU portable charger, okay? So it's just me talking about it. So I actually purchased this product, got it delivered, and then did a review on it. Because the viral view for portable chargers and the INU was viral. It showed a score of something like 96 and there was nobody in the top carousel. And now when you see my monthly reporting, which I can show you, but I won't in this video, it will show that it is that sells probably like 10 or so a week, and I get commissions on it. Commissions aren't that high because the product's not that expensive. However, it's daily income for me, and that's what we're after, right? So it's a viral view. You can see up here in the browser, there is a little plugin symbol that will go to the link to download Viral Views plugin. Once you've signed up with that little sweet 10% discount for Viral View to give it a test run, you just need to click this and it will open a new tab where you can just install your Chrome plugin. And then it will show up here. You can see my V. Once that's installed, just refresh your browser or just restart the browser, and then you'll see it pop up here. So let's just try one more just for an example. Let's just say lawnmower. Lawnmower. Yeah, lawnmower. Okay. I like to just choose them. I don't like to type the full word because generally it will show the actual category that you're after. So let's have a look here. This is a lawnmower that looks quite bizarre. I've never seen a lawnmower like that before, but that's a sponsored link, so we all know that. The other thing about Viral View, it does lag a little bit. If you have a slow kind of computer or anything like that, I'd recommend using just the one browser at a time. Otherwise, it will just lag. Mine's quite fast, so as you can see, it's loaded up here. That one in particular has a viral score of 50, and you can get into the top carousel. So don't write off these ones where it says 50, because what I can see is that it's all about the daily sales. So this one, Greenworks, has daily sales of 59,000, 30-day revenue, sorry, of $59,998. Only one influencer video. So that's why it's at the top, and that's why it just cuts out all this. So the other thing that I like to do is I go down here and I select all. What happens then is it just shows a lot more. So it shows everything that's on that page that you're on and then more. So yeah, it just cuts out this, 30-day revenue unknown. If it says unknown, I just don't touch it. I have a lot of videos that in the past I uploaded and I got no affiliate commission from. It's not even showing in a carousel. It was just a pure waste of time. And as soon as I got this, I started making a lot better. Like my revenue just spiked basically. And then just now it's going at a level. To be honest, it's on me. Definitely don't upload as much as what I should, and definitely don't reach out or go to my friends' houses and say, okay, they've got a portable speaker, I'll do a review on it. Do you mind if I do a review on it? I just find things that are in my house, and now I probably should go and find things that are in other houses. But when you look at this, you go, okay, this Greenworks mower, I actually need a mower, I might buy this, and it will pay itself off in the long run, because this one in particular is going to be making you money. So there we go. It shows a lot of these Greenworks ones are quite powerful in terms of viewership and sales. However, they don't have too many top carousel total influencer videos. This one has 41. Definitely stay away from that one. But it does have decent sales. Top carousel has 6. So you're looking at this. When it's green, it's fantastic. When it's yellow, it's pretty good. So that's what I'd go after. Just remember that I've got that link in the description so you can have a tryout or viral view today.